All right, this is going to be the today's futures day trading video review for Friday, June 9th, 2017 for Drummond Energy bands. Today before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 38 here in the September E-mini 500 futures. The S&P had downside targets. We exceeded those even lower, below 22.75. You can see that we had 16.5, etc. So when you're looking at the market here, we talked about a little bit of a sell there yesterday, and price only moved about 2 points from the original area that was down. What we look for is a yes pattern. This is very specific. We'll look at a yes pattern today. We'll also look at a no pattern. You can see this is an exhaust pattern right here. These arrows print on bar close for this bar, close for this bar up here. This is an exhaust. Typically, we would look to the chart to the left for something similar. We're starting to put in not only a wall up here, but we're getting weaker numbers. We're getting an arrow. This is a opportunity to get short, whether you're selling it, right here, over here. It doesn't really matter. But the bottom line is what you would expect on this setup is this. This would be down. This wall would be your risk. You would want to see resistance step down, push through the support, break it like it's doing. That would be a yes pattern. Here, just previously to that, if you sold this area here, for example, this resistance would step down. You can see how into support, resistance was not stepping down through it, right? That's why we popped. But if you took this type of a setup, you would have noticed that your wrist, though, didn't get touched. You're up here, okay? So we do a webinar every Tuesday at 4:15 p.m. Eastern. The big thing is knowing the risk and then knowing the yes-no pattern. Waiting for arrows and numbers is definitely a big part as well, being mechanical. If you have any questions, jb@drummond.com. Thank you for your interest. Hope you have a great weekend.